welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be making Halloween slimes. So today's actually Halloween, but I don't think I will upload this today because it's just kind of hard to film it, edit it, and upload it all on the same day. So I will probably upload it either tomorrow or Monday. So yeah. So happy Halloween. I know you'll probably see this a couple days after Halloween, but I'm using something that had to come in the mail and it just got here today. So I'm super excited to start using it. So what you will need to make this Halloween slime, I think I'm making 2 Halloween slimes. The first thing is you will need some glue, and it just depends. Some glues that are not Elmer's you can use, but I recommend using Elmer's because that glue definitely activates. So I'm also going to be using shaving foam. You can get that really anywhere. It works with any shaving foam. I've never had a problem with it not activating because of the shaving foam. And then you will also need some kind of activator. I'm using Elmer's Magical Liquid. And the thing that I waited on to film this video is right here. This is a pigment, and it's from Amazon. I will link it in the description box down below if you want to buy these. They are super good, I think, hopefully. The reviews were really good for them, so I'm super excited to use this. So I'm first going to add in the glue, and I have a little bit left from this bottle, so I'm just trying to get it all out. And I'm going to fast forward until I have finished adding in the glue. So I just finished adding in the glue, and now I'm going to add in the shaving foam. And there's not really an amount you add. That's probably enough. But you don't want to add too much because then it won't be stretchy. But then it will be bigger. But if you add less, then it'll be more stretchy but smaller. So this one I think will probably be more stretchy. And so I'm going to activate it now. And I am just going to put it in the cap. Actually, I'm not. I'm just going to pour it in. And I am just adding a little bit at a time. And I need to get one thing. So I'm also using contact lens solution because if you just use this, and to me it's too hard. And if you use this, it's way too sticky in my opinion. So a mix of both works really, really well. So it is looking really good so far. It looks really nice and stretchy. And I will be back to you once I have finished activating it. So I just finished activating, and it is like really, really nice. It's really stretchy, and it's poppy, and it's so soft. This one's a really nice slime. So now I'm going to add in the black pigment. Okay, so I just got a 1/8 spoon, and I don't really know how much pigment you're supposed to add in, but I've seen other people add in not very much because little pigment can go a long way. So I'm going to try this out. I'm just going to open it. Ooh, it's all glittery. That is so pretty. And this pigment said it was for slime, so hopefully it works. Alright, so now I'm just going to mix it up. Okay. I'm a little scared it's going to turn gray, but I can just add in more pigment because some people use clear slime, but I don't really have that much clear glue, and I don't think I had enough to make slime. Well, to make a slime this big. So I think I'm gonna have to add more because, ooh, it looks like marble, but I think I have to add more because right now it's just turning gray. And so it's turning like a light gray. So I definitely think I have to add more. It looks like a slime I've made in the past that didn't look right, but this is still really pretty. So I'm going to fast forward adding the rest of the pigment into the slime. So I just finished adding in the pigment, and it did kind of take a lot of pigment just to make this. But since it wasn't clear, I think it took more than it normally would. But it did make it kind of shiny. It makes it what's the word? Metallic. It makes it metallic, and it is so Halloweeny and so pretty. And I really like it. It's very stretchy, and it's really metallic. I really like that part about it. That's my favorite part about it. And it's also glittery. I don't really know if you can tell that it's glittery, but I'm going to make another pigment slime, and I'm going to fast forward the process of making it, and then I will come back to you to put in the pigment. And it is the same recipe that I made this slime. So this is the selection of pigments I have, and I just used that one, and I think I'm going to use this one because this is the most Halloween-y color of all of them, except, I mean, I could do red, but it probably would turn out more pink, so I'm going to use purple. So I am about to add in the purple, and sadly I was not able to get any more contact lens solution out of that bottle, so I just used this, so it's kind of on the harder side, but actually I'm actually really surprised. It's not what I expected it to turn out like. I thought it was going to be harder than it is, so that's really good. I'm just going to scoot all that out of the way, and I'm going to put the Ziploc that's going to go in away as well. So now I'm going to add in the purple, and I think it's going to turn out really pretty. And as you can see, it's really shimmery and really pretty. Even my fingers have some of the shimmer on it from the slime. So now I think I'm going to add maybe a little, I'm just going to sprinkle it on there. Okay, that was more than I expected to add, but I think that's okay. So that might be too much, but oh my goodness, it just sprayed everywhere. I really like pigment, but it's a little messy so far. But it makes a really pretty slime. This pigment was actually for slime or bath bomb making, or but I made sure it said for slime so that it wouldn't like melt the slime or anything. But now I'm just picking up all the excess stuff that got on my table. I might have to clean that up with some cleaner. I don't know how well that's gonna come up. Okay, so it's weird. This powder is weird. Like, it won't stick to the slime. The slime's like sticking to it or something. Okay, anyway, so this is how it's looking so far. I think I might add a little bit more to make it a little more shimmery and a little more metallic. So I'm just going to mix it in. So I'm mixing it in, and it doesn't really look that purpley. I really think you need clear slime for this, for pigment, because it takes less pigment to color it. But I still think I'm going to add a little more because I would like it to be a darker purple for Halloween. Normally I would be okay with this color, but since it's Halloween, I think I want it to be a little darker. So I think I'll fast forward adding rest of the... Actually, I'm going to keep it like this because I really like it this color. And it's pretty shimmery. And it, I've added, not as much as I added for the black, but I still added a good bit. Oh my. And so now I'm going to play with it for a couple minutes and I will be back to you. So I forgot to do this at the beginning of the video, but if you're new to my channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And I also forgot to tell you guys earlier in my video, but I got Instagram and my name will be right here. And make sure to go check me out over there. So yeah, back to the video. So this slime is so pretty. I really like it. And I don't know how well this is going to come out, but there we go. It came up a little bit, but it looks so pretty and nice. And it actually is a little lighter in real life than on camera. For some reason, it makes it look darker. So yeah, it is so pretty, and I really like it. And I would recommend, if you guys like pigments, well, if you like making slime, and then you should definitely get some kind of pigment. They are so fun to use, and yeah. So this is now the end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed. So I have a shout out I need to give out, but I forgot to mention it at the beginning of my video, so I'm gonna do it in my next video. So hopefully that shout out might be you. So make sure to stay tuned for my next video, so you will see the shout out and it might be you. So these two are my finished slimes. I think I like the black one better because number one, it matches my shirt, sort of. Number two, it's really pretty and it's just a really nice slime. Like, it's really stretchy. Well, most of the time it's stretchy. And it's just so nice. I really like this one. The purple one's really nice too. Just, I like the black color better, or the grayish black color better than this purple. But the purple's one is really nice too. This one's more fluffy, and this one's more, it's kind of a weird feeling. I don't have a slime that feels this way. Like, it feels like it's super stretchy, but then it's not. Well, I mean, actually, yeah, see, it feels like you can just, like, stretch it, but it just breaks. It's so weird. So I really like these slimes, and I hope you do too. So yeah, this is my end of my video. I really hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Like I said, make sure to go check out my Instagram. It's called Emma Lou Crafty, and I post things that I have drawn on there. So yeah, make sure to go check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.